Hi there, this is Stephen Gardner, best-selling author of A Bridge Over Troubled Wall Street, Billion-Dollar Blueprint, and Smartest Doctor in the Room. And I want to talk to you today about one of my favorite financial tools, one of my favorite ways of growing money. And I'm going to talk about 8 reasons why I believe this is a great place to grow your money. It's controversial. Some people really love it, other people absolutely hate it, and then there's a bunch of people, the largest percentage sit in the middle because they don't even know about it, or they don't know enough about it to have an opinion. But today I want to talk to you about life insurance. Okay, now don't turn off the video just yet. I know some people are life insurance haters. Most of my wealthy clients own 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different policies. So I find that the wealthier you are, the more likely you are to own life insurance. So don't give up on this video just yet. But I want to go over, I just recently had an article published titled 8 Reasons Why Indexed Universal Life is a Great Place to Grow Your Money Completely Tax-Free. And so I want to go over those 8 reasons with you, and then I'll put a link down below so that you can click and go through that article. But the first reason, number 1, is you get to grow your money tax-free. Okay? It doesn't matter what your investments are earning or what your savings program is earning if Uncle Sam can tax you higher than what you can get. If you get a 5 and he can tax you at 15, you're behind. If you can get a 10 and he taxes you at 39.5%, again, it doesn't matter. So you've got to be able to grow your money tax-free. And with a life insurance plan, you're able to do that. You're able to grow your money completely tax-free. Similar to a Roth IRA, except you don't have the contribution limitations, and I'll go through that a little bit more. But the money that you grow, number 2, is tax-free income-wise, right? So the whole point of building up money in your 401k or your IRA or a company plan is to be able to take income off of that. Well, imagine you build up $1 million and you still owe tax on that money, right? So when you get to retirement, would you rather have that money completely tax-free or still owing some unknown amount of tax? And with the insurance plans, we're able to take either dividends or income off of those, and the money comes back to us completely tax-free, right? Now, the number 3 of why I love this plan is your death benefit is also tax-free. This is great for a few reasons. Number 1, your income is your most valuable asset. And if you don't have a full career, if your life ends early, it creates an automatic estate to your family, but it's, again, tax-free. Imagine your whole life work, and then you pass on a huge tax bill to your family. Nobody wants to do that. And so life insurance is a great way to bypass the taxes legally and get that money to go to your family completely tax-free. Number 4 of why I like indexed universal life is you will not have negative returns. Inside the contract language of these plans, you cannot lose money to the market. It has caps and floors depending on the company that you're with. But basically, if the stock market is doing well, you get to participate in those earnings. And if the market goes negative, like it has this year, like it did in 2011, like it did in 2009, 2008, 2007, 2002, 2001, 2000, you sit neutral those years. And then your money starts growing again as it comes back. You don't have these negative dips. You don't have these losses that you have to make up for. After 2008, it took the S&P 500 5.5 years to get back to break even. I mean, what a waste of time. What a waste of money. Don't do that, right? So these plans have no negative returns. Now, number 5 is shift the risk or the burden onto the carrier, onto the insurance company, right? Let them deal with that. You're busy running a business or a medical practice, saving lives, being a great employee, being a great mother or father, or whatever your role is, all the many hats that we wear in life, they keep us so busy. Most of us don't have time to watch our investment portfolio like a hawk. Even Wall Street does a pretty crummy job trying to outpace the indexes, and they've got full-time analysts. They do this full-time. Let the insurance company do this. They have full-time investment desks that receive a salary to go out and invest the insurance company's money and yours, and they do a very good job at it. Most of the companies that we recommend, they have been in business for over 100 years, so they're very, very good at what they do. So shift that risk over to them. Number 6 is the ability to earn higher returns. Most of the companies we work with as of this video, they have 16, 17% cap rates, meaning if the market does really well, you have the ability to earn double-digit returns. 2 years ago, my clients were earning 11, 12, 13%, doing very well, tracking the market. But this last summer, when the stock market dropped 10 to 12%, they didn't lose a dime. So have the ability to earn those higher returns, potential double-digit returns, but don't take on the risk of the market loss. Number 7, the ability to access your cash. This is huge. Life insurance is the only investment tool out there that allows you to earn interest in 2 places at the same time. You can earn money with the insurance company, but you can also borrow that money. You have access to your money to go put it in whatever you want: cars, college tuition, real estate investments, life settlement investment, whatever it might be. You can earn interest in 2 places at the same time. You can do very well with these plans. Imagine if an emergency came up or you needed liquid access to your money. With a 401k, you have so many limitations. You have to borrow and pay interest. You have payback requirements. If you lose your job, you have to pay it back within 60 days, or you get hit with penalties, taxes, and fees. Go try to borrow your IRA or 401k money, and they sure make it feel like it's not your money. With the insurance company, there's no proof of employment, no proof of income, no debt-to-income ratio, no pulling your credit. It's your money. If you have a great opportunity to buy a car, or to buy and flip a piece of real estate, or do some hard money lending, or get into one of our real estate lending programs, you can do that with this program. Okay. Now, number 8 that I want to talk about is a Roth IRA for most people just doesn't cut it, right? There's income caps and contribution caps. So if you make over a certain amount, if you're successful, they penalize you for being successful, and you can't put that money in and grow it tax-free, right? And if you're below that, they allow you to get in, but there's contribution limitations. You can only save so many $1,000s per year. And most of the people that we work with, they want to save more than that amount, and they never want to pay tax again. And so the only way that we can do that is through these life insurance plans. So if you want to contribute more and you're a high-income earner, this is a great place to grow your money, not pay tax, not have the market loss, not have the tax in the future, and have access to your money to be able to make it earn interest in 2 places at the same time. Anyway, I just want to keep this brief. I don't want to beat a dead horse, but if you're sick and tired of overpaying in taxes, if you want to have a tax-free retirement, if you want to strategically, intelligently make your money work harder for you, then life insurance is a great place to do that. I own 3 of these plans. I practice what I preach. I'd be happy to go over it with you. Just reach out to me, Stephen, with a PH, at yourbridgeplan.com, or check out our website that we'll have as a link, and you're welcome to call and set up a time to speak with me directly. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it.